Welcome back. In this video, we'll quickly walk through the Instagram menus: direct messages, publish, persistent menu, icebreakers, submissions, and lead CRM.
So basically, we're going to talk about the Instagram menu in CVP Chat, which is on the left-hand sidebar. This menu includes a few different options. The first one is the direct message section, which basically gives you access to your Instagram DMs right inside CVP Chat. You can see your messages, send messages, and manage everything just like you would in the Instagram app, including sending photos and videos. The next option in that Instagram menu is the Publish section. From here, you can schedule posts, stories, reels, or carousels, and you can publish them immediately or schedule them for later. There's also a caption writer feature with AI that helps you generate captions and hashtags automatically. Another option is the persistent menu. This is the little hamburger menu that appears in your Instagram DMs. You can configure it to include different items like postbacks that trigger tasks or external URLs. And then there's the icebreakers section, which lets you set up some preset questions to break the ice when someone first messages you. Another page in Instagram menu is the submissions. If you've created a form in your tasks, basically when you define a trigger in the new task menu and you decide to send a form to someone in a direct message, all the forms they fill out will be collected here under Submissions. In the Submissions tab, you can view the details of each form submission, filter them, and export them as an Excel or CSV file. And to define that form, you just go into New Task, set up a trigger like we explained before, and add a form. You can customize the invitation text, choose if the form is left to right or right to left, and add different types of questions like text input, yes/no options, or multiple choice. Once the form is submitted, it shows up in the Submissions tab for you to review. Finally, you have the Lead CRM, which can automatically collect emails and phone numbers from your conversations and store them in a list. You can export that list as an Excel or CSV file. So that's a quick run-through of the Instagram menu.
CVP Chat, your twin on Instagram.